Hi my loves and welcome back to my channel. It feels like a very long time since I was in front of you saying giving this introduction, but welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber and you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly go ahead and do subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to get notified every time I put up a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I really appreciate you, and I got so much love for you guys. So in today's tutorial, I'm gonna be doing on my best nude lip combinations or combo. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this video, and I hope you're gonna learn something about how to go ahead and wear a nude lipstick. So let's get into this video. So first you wanna go in with some moisturizing product on your lips before you do anything. You put on any other product on your lip, and I use the Vaseline petroleum jelly to do that. And then using this Davis pencil, make sure it's sharpened well, it's sharp enough so that you can use it to just outline your lips or define your lips using it. And I'm using the shade 18 to do this. So I'm just going in with that pencil in my inner part of my lips, not the outer part, and then just mark your lips together to blend the product out. And then using this clear gloss from Huddah Cosmetics, it's the shade It's Clear to Me. Yeah, that's the shade. I don't know why I put that upside down. Yeah, so just go over with the product on top of your lips, or on top of the lip product you had put earlier, the liner you had used earlier, and then just blend the lips together. And this is how the lips look with it's a very simple and easy nude way to wear your lips. Alternatively, you can go in with a colorful lip gloss, and I'm using the LA Colors High Shine gloss. It's a pink shade. It's a Sensual. The shade is called Sensual. So you just put that in the middle of the lips, and then blend out your lips together to even out, to make the product even out on your lips. And then after that, I actually like wearing it like this as opposed to having no color on my lips, because this at least is gonna give an illusion that you have something on your lips. Yeah. So the next this is the next lip combo. Again, I just moisturize my lips as always, and then I'm gonna be using this Joanna lip product. This is in the shade Fearless. So I just I love the lipsticks because this lip applicator is so nice to use it as to outline your lips first. And I normally outline my lips first before I go in with the product. I blend now the product inside my lips, so you just outline that using that lip applicator, and then apply the rest of your lips. And then I use a flat brush and some concealer. I use foundation in this particular video to just outline your lips and just make your lip look a bit clear. And then I took some highlighter and added that on my Cupid's bow, and this is the final look. So you can always use a dark brown shade to wear on your lips, and they're really nice nude lips. So you can either wear a dark lip like this one, or you can get yourself a lighter shade of brown to wear as a nude lip. And next, for the third combo, again I just moisturize my lips as always. And then I'm gonna use the two shades from Joanna K. I'm gonna use the previous shade, the Fearless shade, and then this time I'm gonna use a lighter brown lip shade. It's a nude lip, that's basically, and I'm gonna use the Fearless shade to outline my lips first. And I'm gonna be creating an ombre look in this particular combo. So what if for any dark skinned person like me, what I would always advise, don't use this like that shade. Basically, this is it's a very light shade. You don't go in with it just like that on your lips, because you're gonna look ridiculous actually. So what you want to do is use a dark a dark shade of nude lipstick to outline your lips first, and then use the lighter shade in the middle part of your lips. That way you're gonna get a very nice nude lip, like this, like the way I'm doing it. So I'm just adding that basically shade. It looks peachy, but it looks peachy, but it's not a peach shade as such. It's a bit it's on the browner side of it's on the brown side of lip combos. I mean lip shade. And this is how it looks after you've combined the two shades together, blended your lips out, and this is how they look. You can wear it like this. You can wear it matte if you love to wear a matte lip combo. You can always rock it like that. Yeah, or you can add on some gloss, and I'm gonna use that Huddah Cosmetics clear gloss and just go over that on top of my lips to just make it look glossy. So depending on your preference, you can either wear a nude lip as a matte shade, or you can wear it as a gloss. I wear it in either side. I wear nude lips, either matte or a gloss. It depends with the kind of look I'm going for. Yeah. I feel like glossy lips just make the lips look so juicy. I don't know. I love glossy lips. So you could also, this is another way of wearing the same nude lip combo, just adding on some lighter shade of gloss shade on the middle part of your lips, and see how it makes a difference as opposed to just wearing it as a with only the clear lip. And I did that with the middle finger to enable me to get excess product in the middle part, so that that middle part the product don't go to my teeth. So that's a trick you can borrow from the video as well. So the other combo is this one. I'm gonna use this I'm putting on some foundation on top of my lips, and this is normally to help you have an even base. This is something especially for those people who have really dark lips. You could do this. You could add some some foundation, and then I just went in with some setting powder to just set the foundation in, and then after that now you outline your lips. And yes, I did moisturize my lips first before I put on the foundation as well. I just didn't see the need of adding that part because I felt like at this point I've already told you it's important to moisturize your lips first before you go in with any lip product. So what I'm doing is I'm using the Huddah Cosmetics lip liners, and I first went in with the number 17, and this is the number 12. The 17 is a dark brown shade. It's a brown shade, and this one is more of a plum shade, or a burgundy shade. So I went over it to just add more depth to the brown shade, and then after that I just went in and just added on those outer part of on the out edges to add on the product, because I was trying to create an ombre lip for this particular look. And then just blend out like that. Let's mark your lips together, or you can use a brush, your brush or the lip liner, to just blend your lips, the product out on your lips like that, as opposed to using a brush. I don't like using brushes for when I'm doing my lips. And then I'm gonna use this peachy shade from Joanna K. It's a peachy nude lip from Joanna K. It's the shade Innocent, and I'm just gonna layer that product on my inner part of my lips. So the first 2 or 3 shades, no, the second and the third lip combo were more of brown shade nude combos, and now this one is more of if you're going for a brighter lip, the peachy or pink uh, pink nude combo. And then I just went in with a burgundy shade lip liner to just line my lips again, and this is the final look. And for this particular look, I wore the lip as a nude lip. I didn't see the need to add on some gloss because I just loved how that pink shade was just looking on my lips, and you can see, guys. So there you have it, my loves. That is how I achieved different nude lips. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned a thing or two on how you're going to be creating a nude lip. If you love the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also leave a comment in the comment section below so that you can tell me whether you're going to be recreating any of the lip combos that I did. I'm also gonna list down the lipsticks that I use and all the lip products that I use on the description box, so don't forget to check that out. So with that said, I hope to see you in my next one. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Turn on the notification bell to get notified every time I put up a new video. And until my next one, I love you all so much. Bye.